You gotta stop what you're doing right now. You gotta stop what you're doing right now. You gotta stop using PuTTY like that. Are you some kind of psychopath, sociopath, or some lunatic? Stop using PuTTY like that. Separate windows, navigating windows, they're just all over the place. Don't do that. Don't do that. I have a better solution for you. Do this right now. Alright? Trust me. Go ahead and download mPuTTY. I'm going to put in the website on the description. Go there and click the download button. Alright? And when you click the download button, don't be a psychopath and download the installer. Of course, you're going to download the portable version of this app. Okay? Don't just click the portable version. Okay? Let's be normal people. Then you're going to copy that executable to somewhere you don't forget where you put it. In my case, I have put it just besides PuTTY. Convenient, right? And I didn't put it in my Windows drive because I'm not a psychopath and I want to be able to reinstall Windows if I want to and keep that stuff. So they're just kind of side by side. After that, you just run mPuTTY as normal. It's going to ask you where your PuTTY installation is or your PuTTY executable. And if you are not a psychopath, you have PuTTY on a portable version and you know what the executable is, just let mPuTTY know where you have put PuTTY. After that, you're going to run it for the first time and it's going just to import your current PuTTY sessions and everything is there. And from there on, you can just open each session on a separate tab like a normal person. Alright? Stop being psychopath, stop being like that. Use mPuTTY and open multiple PuTTY sessions on separate tabs. Don't be that guy. Alright? Cool. Now, if you want to be still a normal person, go ahead and apply the dark theme. mPuTTY has more themes, lighter themes, colorful themes. But be a normal person. Don't be a psychopath and enable a dark theme of your preference. Don't use a bright theme, please. Don't be that guy. After that, enjoy mPuTTY at your workplace, your lab, whatever the case, and enjoy the multiple tabs feature and be a normal person. Alright? Now, jokes aside, if you prefer to use PuTTY in separate windows, it's your choice. I do prefer to use it in multiple tabs for the most part. Of course, there are exceptions to the rule where running PuTTY on separate windows can be handy, but for the most part, just be a normal person and use open PuTTY on separate tabs and keep things a little bit more organized like that. I do advise dark theme, but that's again, once more, total personal preference. I hope you find this useful. I hope you can improve your workflow like this using multiple tabs instead of multiple windows. Everything is just concentrated in one spot. Like, subscribe, and comment. It will help. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.